Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a great recipe, peanut butter mini cakes, brought to you by Magnolia Inc. We got a few Magnolia products on here, but it's very masarap. So we have our Magnolia Gold butter, salted. As you can see, it's softened. We add our sugar. Also add a bit of our vanilla. Okay. Get our hand mixer. Start speed number 1. Mix it for about 30 seconds. Then we add our peanut butter. And we will mix until creamy. So that's about 1 minute. Then add our egg yolks. Mix for another 1 minute. Alright, then we will add half our flour. So today we're using all-purpose flour. Baking powder, we always start at low speed, or speed number 1. We also add our Magnolia fresh milk. And we'll put half. Then we add the other half of our flour. And also our other half of the Magnolia fresh milk. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Alright. And we set this aside, and this is our egg yolk mixture. Now we're going to proceed to the second part, which is our egg white mixture. So we have, of course, egg whites. And of course, to make our egg white stiff, cream of tartar. Speed number 1. Speed number 2. Now, once the mixture begins to make lines, you see that there's more bubbles in your egg whites. That's when we're going to add our sugar. Add our sugar 1 tablespoon at a time. Just like that. And then after we add the last sugar, we will time for 3 minutes. If you're using a heavy-duty mixer, it's 3 minutes. If you're using a hand mixer, it's 4 minutes. Okay, so here are egg whites. We know it's stiff already. So now we're going to mix our egg yolks to our egg whites. Getting as much egg yolk mixture as we can. And we're going to fold this in with our whisk. And fold in. Scrape all the way to the bottom until you get nice color. Get a little bit of our mixture. And we will pour on our pan. And here we have our mixture. We put it in our mini pans. And we're going to bake 35 to 45 minutes or until the center springs back like a sponge. So now we're going to make our icing. So we have, of course, Magnolia Gold butter, salted again, because we want that nice flavor. Also have some peanut butter, and we have about 1 cup of confectioner sugar. Speed number 1. And we mix for about 1 to 2 minutes or until creamy. Here you have beautiful desserts brought to you by our favorite Magnolia products, Magnolia Fresh Milk and Magnolia Gold Butter. Enjoy!